Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cover of your videos on CapCut mobile. So as you can see, there is a cover button next to this video bit right here. So you're just going to select that. Here is where you can edit cover. You can even edit it on another app, but you have to use the you have to download the app first. I'm just going to use the one from TikTok. Use templates here. There are a few recommendations. It's not a lot of templates because not a lot of people use it, so that's why there's not a lot. You can select it from here. Just wait for the template to show up, I guess, and you can edit the text as well here. Press the pencil button and then you're just going to type it in. And then once you're done, you're just going to press save. There's a few text boxes you can edit and then just press save. And then that will be the cover of your video. Not exactly quite sure what it does up till now, but that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!